Hi, welcome to Sinau Grammar. In this video, we are going to learn about comparisons of adjective. Before we dive deep into the lesson, listen to this part of the song and identify which words are included in comparisons of adjectives. Here is the song.
When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa, you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You make me feel this way somehow.
Okay, so from that part of the song, you got I'm older, as beautiful as ever, and you'll get better. Comparisons of adjectives has three levels: equal, comparative, and superlative. In equal and comparative, you compare two things with their adjectives or adverb. For equal, the structure is as, adjective or adverb, as. Example, he plays a guitar as well as a professional. So here we compare two people and we compare his skill in playing a guitar. Well is an adverb. Another example, Leo is as tall as Ole. So here we compare their height. In the song we heard as beautiful as ever. It means that she's always beautiful. Now listen to another song with as blah 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 as phrase.
Oh, darling, all of the city lights never shine as bright as your eyes. I would trade them all for a minute more, but the cars outside indeed.
We can also use as blah 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 as phrase to compare two things, although they do not have actual similarity. Example, a blue whale can weigh as much as 25 adult elephants. You can also find this kind of expression in the next song.
So you walk inside a bar. You said something to make you laugh. Saw that both your smiles were twice as wide as ours. Yeah, you look happier, you do.
Now, let's talk about comparative and superlative. Comparative is when we compare two things but one is more or less than the other. And superlative is when we compare more than two things. For comparative and superlative, they have specific rules, just like the word happier from the previous song. And here is the rule. For adjective word with one syllable, or in Bahasa Indonesia we call it suku kata, for example, fast, then for comparative we simply put er, faster. Then for superlative we put est, the fastest. For adjective word with one syllable and with e, example wise, we simply put r for comparative and we put st for superlative. Example wise, wiser, the wisest. For adjective words with CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, example big, so we should double the consonant first, then we put er and est. Example big, bigger, the biggest. For adjective words with two syllable and with y, we should change y into I, then ier or iest. Example pretty, prettier, the prettiest. For adjective words with two or more syllables, we put more or the most before the adjective. Example, beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Remember, we always have to be before the adjective and then we use then if we want to compare two things. Example, Eiffel Tower is higher than Mona's. Next, for superlative, remember always use the, then followed by from all or among, then other subjects. Example, Burj Khalifa is the highest tower among others. When we make a sentence, also pay attention to the to be, because the to be here shows the tenses we use. Now try to identify the tenses in this part of the song.
Baby, you look happier, you do. My friends told me one day I'll feel it too. And until then I'll smile and true that I know I was happier with you.
You look happier is present tense. Berarti di sini maknanya adalah lebih bahagianya di masa sekarang. Dibandingkan kapan? Dibandingkan masa lalu. Look is linking verb. We can also use linking verb instead of to be. Other linking verbs are seems, smell, sound, and then it is followed by adjective. Next part. I know I was happier with you. So I was here is past tense. It means that he is happier in the past compared to in the present. Lebih bahagianya di masa lalu daripada sekarang. We have done with the lesson. Now let's discuss TOEFL questions. Lihat yang nomor 7. Apakah kamu bisa menemukan mana comparative adjective-nya? Ada. Yang mana? Yang C. Is higher than any state. Nah, sekarang kita lihat kalimat the present population in this state. Itu adalah subjeknya. Dibandingkan dengan apa? Any state. Berarti di sini bandingkan dengan banyak present di negara yang lain. Nah, harusnya bukan is higher, tapi the highest than any state. Next question, look at number 8. The General Sherman Tree adalah subjeknya, the largest of all the giant. Ini pakai superlatif, sudah benar, the largest of all. Nah, di sini yang jadi masalah adalah verbnya, are reputed to. The General Sherman Tree adalah subjek, dia tunggal, berarti harusnya pakai is. Next question, look at number 1. The speed of light is bla 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 the speed of sound. Di sini yang dibandingkan ada dua hal, berarti pakai yang komparatif. Faster, faster than. Yang mana? Yang ada fasternya yang E dan B. Harus ada kata than-nya. Meskipun di depan ada much, jawabannya yang B, much faster than, maksudnya jauh lebih cepat daripada. Next, number 2. The use of detail is bla 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 method of developing dan seterusnya. Ada more common, ada most common, ada the most common. Lihat di sini yang dibandingkan ada berapa? Kita cuma tahu ada satu. Apakah ada pembanding yang lain? Nggak ada. Berarti di sini pakainya superlatif. The most common. Artinya the use of detail adalah metode yang paling sering digunakan. Kita bahas dua soal lagi ya. Look at number 8. Apakah ada adjektif di situ? Ada more complex. Ada berapa hal yang dibandingkan? 2, molekul protein dan molekul karbohidrat. Berarti harusnya di sini bukan the most complex tapi more complex than. Now look at number 9. Ada adjective comparison di situ? Ada mildest taste. Ada berapa yang dibandingkan? 2, the leek and the onion. Berarti harusnya bukan mildest tapi has a milder taste. Yep, finally we've come at the end of the lesson. You can do more grammar practices. Just click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you on another video. Bye.
Nobody love you like I do.